Alright, so we're going to go get a car wash in the Model Y today. We are going to go to an automatic car wash and see if we can get some nice scratch marks on that new paint. Just kidding. We are going an automatic car wash, but obviously the goal is not to get scratches on it, but that's okay. Sometimes you just don't have time for a nice car wash, so we're just going to go ahead and take it to the automatic one. Just for the sake of time today. Gotta get this car clean, take some nice video of it for our review that's going to be coming out later. Lots of cleaning to do all the time on both of our cars, the Model Y and the Model 3. So definitely need to get this thing cleaned up good. And this is the first time I've taken the Y to the car wash, but it shouldn't be too bad, just like we did for the Model 3. It's really just a matter of turning the automatic wipers off, and I'll probably fold in the mirrors, and that should pretty much do it. Alright, so here we are. Don't forget to turn off your windshield wipers. I am also going to go ahead and fold the mirrors. I'm going to go ahead and say always fold at this location. That way every time we go to the car wash, it will fold the mirrors automatically. And of course, make sure that you put the car in neutral. I'd highly recommend that you practice putting the car into neutral before you go to the car wash. If your car wash does require you to go into neutral so it rolls through, do make sure that if you're at a car wash where they insist that you have to get out of the vehicle and it has to go through the wash by itself, honestly, you should just avoid car washes like that. But with a Tesla, because if you get out of the seat with the car in neutral, it will go into park automatically as a safety feature, so you can't leave it in neutral. I'm guessing a lot of cars actually have that safety feature now, so they're probably making some accommodations at most car washes that have that feature. But if you're in a car wash that like I just went to where it pulls it through, you want to make sure that you learn how to use neutral in the Tesla. So to get it in neutral, you have it in drive, just hold up and it'll go into neutral. So again, if you have it in drive, just hold up and it goes into neutral. Just make sure that you don't click up, because that goes in reverse. So if you click all the way up, that just puts it in reverse. So there's 2 clicks. Neutral, reverse. So neutral, reverse. So make sure that you don't go all the way up. So you just click it for a couple seconds on that first click. Alright, so the car wash went well, I think. We're going to go ahead and take a little bit of video outside of the car, just around it, just make sure everything looks okay. But I do think everything went fine. Still didn't get all those bugs off the front, unfortunately. Everything looks good. Unfortunately, there were still some bugs on the front, so we're gonna have to do a little bit more work on that. They didn't even come off after I pre-washed them, and they washed them in the car wash. So obviously the bug guts on the front, that's definitely something that every car wash seems to have struggled with, but we'll clean it up a little bit further and take it out for us a little bit more video and shots later. But just a quick update today on taking the Model Y to the car wash. Thanks so much for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.